Commissioner and Secretary Jong Planning Sarkar Jilla, Dr. Vijay Kumar IAS, hakas ngipin kod di kajing ajing hikai ki Nongsengkam Lajong khari tering, ulong bagi Tamasa kum ke cherry blossom ki bak Sarkar Jilla ke penlong, kariban plilat ya shibun ki Sengkam Lajong ha ke Jilla. Ulong ru bakan yarap bikin nongrua bikin riu dan sap ke Jilla, bikin yo kajing itu ha bikin shim benta ha kajuk kerensan bikin nongrua bapau nam ke perthai. Kita masa ki bakum ke cherry blossom mula benram kan bu ke Jilla ha kamap jong ke perthai, baru pen pau pekerja kum kani kalaban penmi shibun kilat kamai bagi kenhun shimet na shabar gejala kilaban bu jengmut banthe ki jingkershan hakakam khayi pateng.
The festivals like Cherry Blossom are opportunities to brand the state, to create opportunities for the youth of the state. Now, what many people should know is, as a prelude to the Cherry Blossom, we are doing a mega music contest. From tomorrow, 17th, 18th, 19th, we are doing a mega music contest where 60 bands from Meghalaya are participating. And out of this, 5 bands, the best ones will get selected. They'll get to perform on the Cherry Blossom stage along with international artists. They will get the recognition. So in Cherry Blossom, we are not only calling international artists, we are calling people from the music industry who are coming as judges for this, who are coming as participants in the Cherry Blossom. So our bands will get to perform and get to engage with the international music industry. So that is an opportunity. So that's one of the many opportunities. So second, we are putting Meghalaya on. When Meghalaya hosts one of the largest concerts in the country, that is what, that's how you put Meghalaya on the map. Today we are having a Taj Hotel. We inaugurated the Taj Hotel. We are going to inaugurate the Marriott. So people will come. That is when you get high spending people. They come for these niche products, whether it is root bridges, whether it is big concerts, whether it is the beautiful opening ceremony show that we put up. Nobody expected Meghalaya to have that level of show. People said, somebody told me today morning that it was better than the Gujarat, opening ceremony of the national games. So this is how we put our state on the global, on the national and international map. And when you do that, opportunities come. So corporate houses, when they think of, where do I put my money? So when they know, Shillong, a lot of interesting things are happening, they'll come and invest in our youth. So Cherry Blossom is also a way to attract attention, global attention to the place, provide opportunities to the youth, and ensure that more investments and everything flows into the state to our entrepreneurs.